Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing good. So today I am going to tell you an interesting incident which happened yesterday. So I was going home from office and I was really tired and I thought I'll have some tea. So I stopped by a tea shop and I was having my tea and I saw a friend. Actually he was my schoolmate. So he's seeing me after 15 years, right? So he was coming in a very Porsche luxury car and I was surprised. He was also surprised and we were just talking how are you doing, what you are doing. Then suddenly he told he is into stock market and he asked me whether you know about anything about stock market. So that's a general question, right? Everybody knows what is stock market. Then he asked me, do you know options trading? I told, yeah, I know something about option trading, a little there and here. Then he told me he makes money in option selling that and he makes 30% return on investment per month. Now I got curious. How is that even possible? 30% return on investment for in 1 month. That's not even possible, right? So I was I got very interested and I was very curious. Then I just want to take some words from him. I just want to know what he is trying to say or what he is trying to do. Then we started, the conversation was going on. Then he told there is a strategy called strangle. Okay, then he's saying that he did a strangle at 15,500 and 16,000 in the starting of 1st July. Then till now it has given a return of around more than 28-29% and we have one more week, so I will make around 30% return on investment. Do you think that is even possible? Now what I did, I will show you something. I came to office the next day morning. This is 16,000 call which was on 1st of July. It is trading at 216 rupees and now it is trading at 23 rupees, right? And if I select the put option and go to 29 July put option 15,500, 15,500 filter. Yeah, it was trading at around 301 rupees and now it is trading at around 9 or 14 rupees. So combined he both combined strangle, he made around 36 or 35,000. Let me tell you, this is not even possible. In 1 month, if he had, maybe I don't know, if he had, you let me know in the comment section below. If that is the case, not him, many people would have been millionaires. Emotion would have killed you like anything. You are taking a 15,500 strangle. You are taking a 15,500 strangle and 16,000. You are selling 15,500 put and 16,000 call. I know market has not moved anywhere. It is between this range only for the last 1 month, even not 1 month. Before that also it is in this range only. But it is highly impossible to take these trades. You would have taken, but emotions would have killed you seriously, very hardly. Where market has touched 15,550 and 16,000. I had a strangle last week. We did a strangle last week. What we did is, when the market was at 15,700, we sold 15,500 and 16,000. Market went to 16,000. I changed the strangle to straddle. I sold one more 16,000 put. Immediately market came down. Then I had to make some losses or I had to do some adjustment on that. Do you think people like this, people telling 30% return on 1 month is possible? Not even possible. Then I inquired today morning, I called my other friends, then they told me that he is collecting money from people, maybe 1 lakh or 2 lakh, and for 1 lakh he is giving 5,000 rupees. I don't know, really there are so many scams here, especially in South, that many people collect money from public, and then they put it in the stock market, then they give you high returns. So you calculate 1 lakh, if I give him 1 lakh, he is going to give me 5,000 rupees. So yearly that works out to be 60% return on investment without any tax, no nothing. How is that even possible? Even a big company like Tata Sons doesn't make so much returns, right? So anyway, that was a incident that I thought I will share with you. So these are the very people, many people, due to COVID situation, many people have lost their job. Many NRIs have come back to India. These things can happen, and in fact Zerodha, not only Zerodha, all the brokers in India, their client base has grown exponentially. So these kind of people come here. And equity, I know last March or April, had you invested, you would have made good money. So that was a very bull run. But now if you ask, in 1 month would someone had made money? I don't think so. And you see the cunningness of this guy. He has correctly told this thing. And if some guy is, let's say he goes and tells to one of his clients that you give me 1 lakh and I will give you 5,000, and if he tells the same strategy, and if that guy goes and checks what will be the scenario, he would have believed, we only know what is going to happen. That is not even possible, right? Maybe it is possible. You have to be a Vivekananda. You have to be very calm. You have to be super calm. You shouldn't do anything. You shouldn't see at the market itself. So if you are in that stage only, then only you will make money. 15,500 also hit 2 or 3 times, and 16,000 is also almost hit 2 or 3 times. Then how do you do a 15,500 and 16,000 strangle and just keep it? Yes, he is right. If we did a 15,500 and 16,000 strangle at the start of July, you would have made 35,000 or 36,000. So the margin requirement is around 1 to 1.2 lakhs. So you would have made 30%. That is right, but that is highly impossible. Your mind will not let you do that. You will be emotionally killed by the market. Market is so violent in the last 1 week. It is highly impossible to do that. And if someone had done that, then he is really a genius person. That's what I would say. I cannot bear. See, that's what I am saying. We did a strangle at 15,500 and 16,000, and when market went to 16,000, I converted into a straddle, and reverse happened. So we were in the loss only. So there are many people like this telling this, scammers come to you, talk, and normal people, when they say 60% or 50% return on investment in 1 month, you go to a bank and deposit in FD. How much you are going to get? 5%, 5.5% maximum. So 30%, when you tell them 50 or 60%, so they will forget everything and just give you money, right? So there are many scammers like this who tell promising exponential or big returns, and I will tell you, one day or another it is going to be very hard. You will have to forget your money. So avoid these kind of people. And markets are not very easy to trade. Markets are very volatile. You see, in the last 1 week, it is so volatile, it is very hard to trade in this kind of market, right? Yesterday my Bank Nifty went down, today it is shooting up, and everybody was thinking this HDFC Bank is down, so ICICI Bank will also be down. They shorted the market. When the when Bank Nifty was down yesterday, they shorted Bank Nifty, and today it went up. So I didn't touch Bank Nifty, and we did some other trades in Nifty, so it is okay, fine. So yesterday is gone, so today we started a fresh trade. So 4 more days to go. Let's see what is going to happen. And if you see the market, 15,900, today Nifty has rejected. Almost 7 or 8 times rejection is happening. I don't know what is going to happen. market, if it is going to go up, if it needs to go up, it has to move around, move above 15,900, or it has to move above previous high, right? That is 15,985. So let's see what happens. And I can see many put writing and put writing in Nifty 15,700. People have written strong puts. Then Bank Nifty also same scenario, there are more puts. So it is a mixed kind of market, and surprisingly today DIIs have bought for more than 2,400 crores and FIIs have sold for around 300 or 250 or 300 crores. So DIIs are taking the market on the upside. So let's see what happens on the going forward. I hope you all have a good weekend. Take care. Bye.